This is going to be a full face of Dollar Tree makeup, girl. Okay, I don't know how I feel about this moving with me because then you guys are gonna see my mess in the background, but it's okay. Look, it's just a bunch of boxes that I need to unbox. But you guys, this is going to be hopefully, maybe, I don't know, the last video of 2025 because I wanted to, come on, move with me, girl. Thanks to my husband for getting me this awesome camera. He got me the Xtra Muse. This might be my camera to film makeup tutorials if I like it because it's filming me in 4K. I grab, where is it? I grab, where? Oh, that's so good. I love it. It's kind of freaky, but I love it. So I have a whole, oh my God, stay in the clean spot camera. A whole Dollar Tree makeup. This is going to be a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. Girl, go onto my TikTok. I'm just gonna post like the unboxing. I love watching ASMR unboxings, but I have so many stuff. Look at this brush, how they package it. I'm gonna start with some skincare. What does this look like to you? Glow Recipe, doesn't it? Let's start out with the toner. I have tried Glow Recipe, so I love the packaging of this. It's so freaking good. Oh my God, it smells like watermelon. Put it in my hands. My hands are clean, by the way. Oh my God, this smells so freaking good. I didn't see any eye cream. I need to check out another Dollar Tree. I'm going to moisturize my lips, and this one is by Plump It. I don't know where the packaging is at, but this is how it looks. How cute! But it does work to plump it. I feel like it does work. I feel like the tingly sensation. But it's by Beauty Impressions. It came like this. Oh, well, it says Beauty Impressions right here. So packaging in Dollar Tree is so freaking cute. So look at the packaging. So freaking cute. And it's glass. And it's a pump. So we're gonna do 2 pumps of that. Oh my gosh. It smells good. This one doesn't smell like watermelon. This one's pomegranate. Okay, so we're gonna do, oh, it feels really good. I pray that I don't get any pimples because you guys know my face. And now our moisturizer, and since I only have this Glow Up Night moisturizer, I hope it's not like too thick. Packaging and everything. I'm gonna grab whatever I have on the tap, on this little white thing, whatever this is. Oh damn, it smells so good, just like watermelon. And it feels like water. I love this feeling, you guys know that. Applying moisturizers, it has to feel like water to me. I'm gonna let my moisturizer and all that settle, and I'm gonna do my brows. They better not let me down because lately I feel like I got my brow game down. But this one is a lamination brow gel, and it has vitamin E brow gel styling tool. This is how it looks. So cute. I really hope this video comes out really good for you guys because there's a little bit of everything. We're testing out this new camera, by the way. It's this one, if I didn't tell you guys, the Xtra Muse, and I have connected to a monitor so I can see, because the little screen on it is super little. It's like this little. So you can connect it to your phone, to your iPad, to a monitor. So it's a brush type. I'm just going to do it like I regularly do. I feel like I'm gonna be all over the place. It's a little bit on the watery side. But I'm just going to lay them down. I'm going to grab my brushes because that's one thing I couldn't find as much. Brushes down there, and then I'm just going to, oh, I can feel it already that it is getting hard. I'm just gonna clean them up because that gel is everywhere. It is on the watery side, but it does work. So for my brows, I grabbed this LA Colors brow powder in Universal. This is how the packaging looks. It's so cute, so tiny. And the brush that I've been grabbing so much is the one by Benefit Cosmetics. And it looks like this. So it has my brush on the front, and then it has a spoolie at the bottom. I'm just going to place it a little bit. I feel like it's thick. How cute is this mirror? It's from Shein. Okay, and I'm just slightly applying the product, just slightly, because I don't want them to look so harsh. Okay, I kind of messed up right here, but I can't fix it because this brows ain't going anywhere. They're sticky. We're just going to ignore that and apply powder later on because they're definitely not going anywhere. For foundation, I'm going to be praying that this works for me. It's the Be Pure in medium concealer all in one. Oh wait, it's an eye cream. It's a concealer. Okay guys, I thought I grabbed a foundation. I mean, this looks like a foundation to me, but it's an eye concealer. And I also grabbed this Essentially Ageless light to medium. What is this? A corrector serum, a concealer as well. And the only foundation I got was this LA Colors pressed powder. So I'm just going to use this as a foundation, we'll see. But it's a benefits of an eye cream and a concealer all in one in shade medium. So we'll see how that works for me. Dang it. I mean, it matches. It's a little on the red side, but that's okay. There's no scent. So I apply some on the top of my lids and around my, crazy, but it is matching. But I feel like it's going to, how do you say it, oxidize. Now moving on to the other concealer. This one is light medium. Love the packaging. I could have grabbed a lighter one, but wait, what am I saying? They probably didn't have it. You guys can see the color is like my skin tone color. Going to pat that. I'm liking everything on my face except for my brow. Okay, now we're gonna use the LA Colors in Nude, the pressed powder. These brushes are really high end. I mean, they come with their little, ooh, this is reminding me of my It Cosmetics, the powder. Oh Lord, no, I have to contour, hold on. Okay, I almost messed up. Okay, so I'm going to contour with the B Color Liquid Bronzer. This is how it looks, a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't dry. I mean, I've seen so many good reviews on this. Brush from Wet n Wild. The color, I don't know, a little bit too green undertone. Okay, going to contour my nose. I like the way it worked on my nose. It has a scent to it, but not a bad scent. I don't mind the scent. Okay, it contoured my nose good. It's nice and bronzy. I can even see it. I'm like recording in, it's called Xlog. And when I'm recording, it looks all gray to me. Like it looks great because I had to color grade it. But I can see that popping up. One thing I didn't find was a setting spray. That looks dirty. Oh, that looks ugly. Blotchy, always go over with your foundation brush. I really hope you guys are loving this video. Please subscribe if you haven't and hit the notification button and also thumbs up, share it. Please, it helps me out so much. So now we're gonna set using the Dollar Tree brush, which is really good. I love the material. And I'm just going to, this by the way is too light for me, but it's okay. We're gonna pat. Oh, is that a fly or mosquito? I'm gonna just pat all over. But so far, I don't look like a Oompa Loompa. Light on the lids, and the brush is not even shedding, which is crazy. Okay, now I'm going to bronze. I did forget to apply my blush, and this one's a cream blush, and I don't want to mess it up because I already applied powder, so hopefully I'll see what I can do. So I'm gonna apply my bronzer. This one's the LA Colors bronzer in bronze, and I'm going to use this blush brush. Packaging is so freaking cute, like I said. Now let's see how bronzy I look. Might as well apply some brown eyeshadows since I'm looking like a bronze goddess over here. For the eyeshadows, I already told you guys, I grabbed the smoky eyes, or no, sorry, smoky browns, and then I grabbed this nudes. It's the traditional shade. And then I grabbed this Supernatural. I'm going to try this one, the Smoky Browns. And it's by the brand Beauty Intuitions. I'm going to start off with this one right here. I should have applied concealer on my lids because it's applying that on the crease, applying this all over. I'm going to use like a smaller brush and just contour that eye. This is pigmented and there's no fallout. We have a dilemma. So I noticed why my eyeshadow wasn't working as was because I still had residue of the brow product, so that messed it up. So the brow product is good, but just be careful with it because girl, it dries up really hard. It's still sticky. It's still sticky, so I don't think I would grab that one again. All right, so now I'm gonna put this beautiful shade on my lid. Going to pat that on my lid. Such a pretty color. The eyeshadows are really good. They're nice and creamy and pigmented. I'm going to grab this frosty shade right here and just grab a tiny brush. Apply that onto the inner corners. Oh, how pretty. Okay, this palette is a must. Got this long-lasting high definition eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Cute. Ooh, girl. It's so thin. Now I'm going to use this Tony pencil eyeliner in color black as well. You guys know that I have to do some eyeliner at my top waterline. If not, it's going to look empty. And let's see if it's creamy. Oh yeah, nice and creamy. Time for some mascara. By LA Colors is the Lift and Lock Mascara. Just apply a couple coats because I got some lashes that are so pretty. Love the way this brush is. It's like bended. I grabbed some lashes also from the brand Tony, and look at how pretty they are. They are so freaking pretty. It says 100% handmade. Okay, this is how good it's going to get. Loving the lashes. They look so freaking pretty. Now, moving on to the lips. This lip liner. It's from Ioni Lip Pencil in color True Brown. So my camera's gonna die. Could sharpen this or what? Now what I'm gonna do, it's a nice color, is use this lipstick by Beauty Intuition in Sweet Cocoa. It does feel plasticky, but that's okay. But it's such a pretty color. Look at that. Such a pretty shade. I just overpowered it with my lip liner, which was really dark. I also grabbed this sheer nude hydrating oil. I don't even think I should put it on. I don't think it'll make any difference. I did grab blush. This one is by Tony, their soft pink liquid blush. Let's see. I just hope it doesn't mess up because I have all powder. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Such a pretty shade. I'm gonna grab their brush, stipple it. Okay, it worked. You can see it. Looks pretty. Okay, guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys love it? I just had a little bit of trouble with the brows, but they are sticky. They're on the sticky side. Maybe if I put some pressing powder on them, some pressed powder. But they are on the sticky side. Now they look kind of like matte. They're still sticky. They are on the sticky side. Loving the lip combo. The bronzer, the eyeshadows is really good. What do you guys think? You guys will be the judge. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely want to try the skincare again, but I want to do this again, but not with that nighttime moisturizer, and be more careful on my brows. Loving the lashes, even though they kind of messed up my eyeliner, but I am loving the freaking lashes. It looks so good. But this is what you guys get from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry if it's a bit long, but I'm like all over the place. Next time I will be better, but I hope you guys love it. It's a little chit chat video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Also, share this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, if you guys have any of this product or something that you guys would love me to try from Dollar Tree, let me know, because I have 2 Dollar Trees, one 5 minutes away, one 8 minutes away. So next time I'll go to the one that's 8 minutes away. So let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and a beautiful start of your new year. Remember, you can do whatever your heart desires. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Fantastic.